So how can you best position yourself? Well, at the end of the day, the best way for you to increase your odds of winning and to also protect yourself is to always look at your own risk to reward ratio. Look, as an example, if Bitcoin decided it wanted to take a little nap, okay, go to sleep and drop down to $88,000, we could see altcoins draw down further. Say it drops 30, 40, maybe even 50% or more. If that happens to be the case, because you never know what happens with Bitcoin, things could always go down in the market. You'd want to make sure that if you're going to risk that kind of drawdown, that you're able to at least make 200, 300%, or 500% or more within the market. For me, on the minimum, I need opportunities that present a 3-in-1 risk to reward ratio. This means for every $1 that I'm willing to risk, that I aim to make at least $3 in potential profit. This ratio here also ensures that my potential upside significantly outweighs my downside. To make it a bit more easier to understand, think about it in the context of a real trade. All right, so say as an example, I decide to buy Bitcoin at $100,000 and I set a stop loss, which means if Bitcoin comes down to $95,000, then it'll sell. So at this point, I am risking $5,000 in Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin does what I expect it to do, it follows my plan, and I aim to sell Bitcoin at $120,000, and my reward would be $20,000 for this trade. So the ratio calculation here is that I have a reward of $20,000 if it follows along my prediction, and I'm just risking here $5,000 if Bitcoin goes from $100,000 to $95,000.